What's up, guys? Back with part 2 of opening these packs. Let's start off with a Brock. It's cool too because it still has the little price tag. I used to sell them for $2.89. It's a lot cheaper than what I got them for, but that was back in the day, I guess. Definitely want some misty holos, man. Can't say. Oh man, I love this card. I've seen other people pull this card in their videos, and I just was like, whoa, that card is awesome, but they usually, I don't know, don't really care. Yeah, I just think the artwork is really good on this card. Brock Zubat, Misty Staryu, awesome. Sabrina's Gaze, pretty, I don't know, sexual card. Erica's Tangela, Brock's Rhyhorn. Oh man, and Blaine's Moltres. This card is cool. Pretty crazy how Blaine has a Moltres. Misty's Poliwhirl, awesome. Erica's Perfume, Erica's Execute, and a Psychic Energy. Sweet. Alright, Surge. Okay. Alright, let that focus. Alright, Surge's Rattata, Sabrina's Drowsy, Brock's Geodude, Misty's Horsey, Blaine's Growlithe, Brock's Sandshrew, Surge's Electabuzz, Erica's Perfume, Misty's Poliwhirl, Erica's Execute, and a Fire Energy. Don't really know what the rare was. It was this Electabuzz. It's pretty crazy because I pulled this Electabuzz before and I didn't even realize it was a holo. It's kind of hard to see. But yes, it is a holo. Alright. And another Brock pack. Yeah, but if anyone has, if anyone's opened these packs or something and still has some misty holos, I'm definitely down to trade or something, you know, for anything I could have pulled in this video that you want. Brock Sandshrew, Narrow Gym, Blaine's Ponyta, Erica's Execute, Blaine's Gamble, Sabrina's Ghastly, whoa, Erica's Clefable. The artwork in this set is really, really good. Like every card I like, rare or common or uncommon, doesn't matter. Like this trainer card too. Even the trainer cards have cool artwork. The Onyx is sick. Oh man, I really, really like this card. Probably like my favorite card I pulled so far, honestly. Good Manners trainer with Erica and her Bellsprout and a Fire Energy. Woo! Don't know what the rare was in that pack, but I don't really care anymore. This is such a good set that, like, I'm really happy with, oh, my box is falling apart. But yeah, I'm really happy with, like, the uncommons and commons, too. Just because the artwork is so freaking good. Definitely my favorite set, I'd have to say. Oh, don't know the trick, so I can't do that. Sabrina's Slowpoke. Brock's Onyx. That's a cool card. Misty Staryu. Erica's Tangela. Surge's Voltorb. Brock's Zubat. Misty's Goldeen. Awesome, I don't have this one. Blaine's Magmar. That's a cool card too. See what I mean? Vermilion City Gym. Erica's Maids. Don't know what the rare in that one was either. Oh, it was this, Misty's Goldeen, which I'm happy with. I really like this card. And I'm finally down to my Misty packs. I was going to, keep these. Let's move that out of the way and put Pikachu there, my lucky Pikachu. Whoa. There you go. I was going to leave these wrapped still, but I still haven't pulled any holo Misty cards, and I really want one. Alright, so here we go. I'm still going to try to save the packs, though, definitely. So, excuse me if I'm being really slow here. Oh, fuck. Whatever, I'll try to... Oh, man. This pack is just done already. So I'll just... Damn it. Still have 2 left. I could try to save one. Alright, don't know the trick. Alright. Sabrina's Mr. Mime. Awesome. Lieutenant Surge's Pikachu. Another awesome Blaine's Vulpix. Misty's Staryu. I love all of these common cards. Sabrina's Slowpoke. Brock's Onyx. Misty's Cloyster. Don't have this one. I think... Yep, this is the rare. Would love this in a... Or I don't know if this comes in a holo, but... Definitely want a holo Misty Pokemon. Erica's Maids. Erica's Oddish. Well, thing's really dark. Brock's Lickitung. And Fire Energy. Alright. Here's my second attempt at preserving this Misty pack. Oh, looks promising. Looks promising. No. Whoa. There we go. Alright. Sweet. One down. Alright. Brock's Onyx. Blaine's oh, it's Blaine's Vulpix. I thought it was Brock's Vulpix. But yeah, this is one of my favorite cards. Brock's Zubat. Misty's Staryu. Sabrina's Gaze. Erica's Tangela. Oh, yes! Misty's Tentacool holo. Nice. I really, really want, Misty's, Tentacool, because she's actually, like, swimming right next to it, and I really want that card. Misty's Starmie. Awesome. Don't have this one either, and it's, like, one of her signature Pokemon. Celadon City Gym, Erica's Executor, and a Grass Energy. Alright, my last pack. Yeah, and I guess I have to open it, because there might be another Misty holo in here. Oh, whatever. I already got 1 pack, so I don't know what I would do with 2. Okay. We got Sabrina's Venonat, Brock's Vulpix, Brock's Mankey, Trash Exchange, Erica's Oddish, Misty's Seal, Brock. Oh man, I really want a Misty trainer. But yeah, that one's cool too. Sabrina's Jinx. Such a strange Pokemon. Blaine's Magmar, Erica's Maid, and Grass Energy. So I guess the Rare was Brock. Yes, it is. So yeah, I'll just show you all the cool cards, I guess, in another video, which I'll post right after this. Thanks, guys. Peace.